The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hancock County in central Indiana, northeastern Johnson County in central Indiana, Marion County in central Indiana. This includes the city of Indianapolis, northwestern Shelby County in central Indiana. Until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Winedale, or 6 miles northwest of Indianapolis, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Indiana State Fairgrounds around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Indianapolis around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Warren Park around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Beech Grove around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 94 and 120. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 71 and 95. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 73 and 103. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.